What do you have there today, Jace?
I got fruit riot. Is that what it says? I got sour grapes, and they're frozen. Frozen? Alright. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try purple one.
Ooh. What do you think?
It's pretty cold.
Is it sour?
Yep.
Is it refreshing? What would you rate it out of 10?
I would rate it 8.9.
All right. So we have a Jace approved new snack for summer. Nutritious and tasty, sour and cool. You got anything else you want to add?
Yep. Do you want one?
Yummy. Ooh.
Oopie. I accidentally ate it. Bye-bye.